Mataya, he doesn't make sure around come yaksafa, numbing limasodla, Kiala Psycho, Remilishitale. Mikamo itum na plani Shemang Mada, Nanamazang Miaka, Hida the Katat Kasatam Namasam Hungry, Kananazang Mihawada, Higata Pakamataya Tam, Matai Lagane, youth spring Vangda, Hidada later clay Vang, Nalikichunganingshi, Aratam Pungitronla, Rightum. Who breaks the power of sin and darkness, whose love is mighty and so much stronger, the King of glory, the King above all kings, who shakes the whole earth with holy thunder and lifts up breathless in awe and wonder, the King of glory, the King above all kings. Yeah. This is amazing grace. This is unfailing love, that you will take my place, that you will bear my cross. You lay down your life, that I will be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me. Oh, 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 oh. Who bring the chaos back into order, who makes the orphan a son and daughter, the King of glory, the King of glory, who rules the nation with truth and justice, shines like the sun in all of his brilliance, the King of glory, the King above all kings. Yeah, this is amazing grace. This is unfailing love, that you will take my place, that you will bear my cross. You lay down your life, that I will be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb was slain. Worthy, worthy, worthy. Oh, this is amazing grace. This is unfailing love, that you will take my place, that you will bear my cross. You lay down your life, that I will be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me. Itum narila drive rana itum le og thiri rach bamai dakle accidentally ra here tamnim le kana nei itum le our plan our purpose le itum le chi horat le je itum narila drive ke je like tong sang amri chai Joe. Many dreams have died. Our dreams landed by the water, now they will run dry. So living water flowing through, God we thirst for more of you. Fill our hearts and flood our soul with one desire, just to know you and to make you know and live your name on high. Shine like the sunlight time that's running high. We know we were made for so much more than ordinary life. It's time for us to more than just survive. We were made to try. Hey! Oh, 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 oh. Into the world we're taking deep to know our Father's side. Into the world we're reaching out to show them who you are. So living water flowing through, God we thirst for more of you. Fill our hearts, flood our soul with one desire, just to know you and to make you know we live your name on high. Shine like the sun, make time that's running high. We know we were made for so much more than ordinary life. It's time for us to more than just survive. We were made to try. Joy unspeakable. Joy unspeakable, fate unsingable, love unstoppable, anything is possible. Joy unspeakable, fate unsingable, love unstoppable, anything is possible. Joy unspeakable, fate unsingable, love unstoppable, anything is possible. Joy unspeakable, fate unsingable, love unstoppable, anything is possible. Just to know you and to make you know we lift your name on high. Shine like the sun, make darkness running high. We know we were made for so much more than ordinary life. It's time for us to more than just survive. We were made to try. Run it in 10 seconds. Awi Zagi Laga. It will 10 seconds. She made a clean. Raw lag Sazili.
itum ko tong nalang laga alim sot kan dijilang cham sak hai lak se ka ran nei le hia ka utha da shem hai da kleje aw mi teng tei fai ji salak se itum narila God's not that ji la itum tong sang lu shi se Cho not dead, he's surely alive. He's living on the inside, roaring like a lion. God's not dead, he's surely alive. He's living on the inside, roaring like a lion. He's roaring, he's roaring, he's roaring like a lion. He's roaring, he's roaring, he's roaring like a lion. Come shake the ground with the sound of revival. Let heaven roll, fire fall. Come shake the ground with the sound of revival. Let heaven roll, fire fall. Shake the ground with the sound of revival. My God's not dead, he's surely alive. He's living on the inside, roaring like a lion. God's not dead, he's surely alive. He's living on the inside, roaring like a lion. Yeah. He's roaring like a lion. He's roaring, he's roaring, he's roaring like a lion. Rawi laksa rawang masot khani ji hilia kapian mang mak sam ne ya. The longer I serve, the sweeter it grows ki da. Rally sang me do dam se ring pha ma tai mi. Aw la sa ka sa ji ring pha ka khami ki kalam lein le. Itum da ri la ti on ni ne ranui na tha da ki pa kham lein le. No ming ji le itum da masot ki ka ta le ko ki lai itum da ti on ni ne ki lai sa le shi se. La 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 la
everyone a favor I see. It's the only name that matters to me. Yours will be the friendship and affection I need to feel my Father smiling on me. It's the only name that matters to me. Yours is the name that saved me. Mercy and grace, the power that forgive me. Your love is all I ever needed. Yours will be the only name that matters to me, the only one in favor I see, the only name that matters to me. Yours is the name that saved me. Mercy and grace, the power to forgive me. Your love is all I ever needed. When I wake up in the land of glory, with the saint I will tell my story. There will be one thing that I proclaim. When I wake up, when I wake up in the land of glory, with the saint I will tell my story. There will be one thing that I proclaim. Yeah, la 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 la. Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, just that name. Jesus, 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 just that name. When I wake up, when I wake up in the land of glory, with the saint I will tell my story. There will be one thing that I proclaim. When I wake up, when I wake up in the land of glory, with the saint I will tell my story. There will be one thing that I proclaim. La 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 Itum kutong na ngading kasla, kutong ngading kas jolaka. Itum na la la shasong dakle, saching dakle, kaman sala kaila, nali hui vira kaje tangkula. Itum kutong na sa tegi jelai sangum laka. Programi ashili ni samol ke. Geheimer legacy continually schon hotai de lely set geheimer love kan im verenally arena hodele now you kanang come a time of gloom, only how good
Matukulu le Gashia Ladum Lutam Leidaka Rise and blue We come and Veranda Bum Quila Kuswite kamadeji na itum lilokwi haya mavadli mara kapang kwiga haya itum awi now masang sa kaira shiman lui mara awi matakakahar Gehorji hashon kalai tuli o Matukulu le gashia Ladum lutam leidaka Rise and blue We come and leave Veranda Pam Quila Achile awi konchi Shaka no blue Murmur hayalu Anganali wira Anganali wira Matukulu Leigashia Ladum lutam leilaka Rise and blue We come and leave Veranda Vam Quila Matukulu Leigashia Ladum lutam leilaka Rise and blue We come and leave Veranda Umbrella Yari ito ang napamila.
Yamilo Yamese Ari Kare Sada Ishi UDPC worship Dimuibang in Shilagare Ashina Ishui program hearing Palagana Lasa Mide Hopok Mere Juvana Ashili Akshita Ishina Apang Family say Yaru in the Tundi Yang Dalaga Ningam Talaga and Lam Talag Miram Talaga and Razangle Kala energetic Salagana Ari conference li thada leishilage na kadomi ngai lake na razang ser leye che na issue first session here thada productive kasa conference akang sara da shisange as we youth apologetic conference he inina host summit leye iwi go host rightly bumtak le lakshang ronru shimre ahi query wenene Ari hi ahi Quire Yukurpe Sui Chaplin Sadleye Chimang Maningla North Youth We PYS We Vice President La Sadleye
Ni shere awile samila kau gyang ngalam thase kain nganing dak lepa he kete wem nim ne isi north we ena bumai china hushu wen ne ana awi ming na ngala sim jing khai talented salak leila khai ngala na khane kala honest la salak kai straightforward la salak kai kala awile khamtha ina admire sa dak la khana ba straightforward sana a hyang ni share
Ari first Youth Apologetic Conference li Razankhaya Remitwida Kyashikbaya Azawi Resource Persons being Panelists being Church we Pastor Kala Hili Razankhaya Intellectuals being la Scholars being la Chimang Maning la Ava Avala Katam Naula Kala Theologians being la Gachung Thele Kala Mission workers being the track razang leye nutum sai gorally program hili ringa pashalam khamien ang soda welcome sad leye
today's apologetic conference ishina matai la kaina room dak le hiba itum wing leni watam rin na matai ka man jena itum reshina wa khasada or baptist wa khasada itum we alung hile itum we rinsit kahai bible na tsumi kahai je mak thewi bang kachigata milisam ka phanga dam tharan kala kachigata materials kachigata universe ka thaya dam tharan itum hi chine itum ni convince salaka itum je itum we mushunji defense sa khar yang apologetic simply je khai itum na that defending your position ke yang defending itum we defending truth yang chena itum hi theng yi phulung ke no hima ka thewi bang aina kachigata mi pingli khar jan sai da athum de sing yu hai da itum mi mushun ji itum ma thei khar chui wang ai itum hi azu nan la question nga han kala ujang ra ping ne answer mi laga che bible na ka tha da tzu mi hai le ge ba je ngri kai na thar sa ri ai ne itum de nsu tui je itum mi mushun ji tha da khushok khwai apologetic conference ma tai la kai na che rung khami sa ne
Ari ishi we Panelists no resource person no Yukuli kala tangkung leili thada mathala kaina Bible tam kui kaya kathem bing katong hili jang tak leko aza itum conference li hada itum we itum nang han khangai itum na meeting de taut khaleila chi katong nang han khisal laga itum ung khabai sa sei gi hi hangai leye ari panelists kai kai hi mara jang rer thure akamali ngurum nawrada Kathasala panelists being we aming in a hang dam yoga. Panelists truk lay Karesada Reverend Somi Kosomoshi, Pastor UDBC, Kakanyeli Reverend Ningwan Kamkara, President UBTC, in a Gahangai Nang Soda Natuna, Ganingamilo Nishnara, Gagatumali, Reverend H.A. Tamringam, Executive Secretary NDNPA Kamadiali Quira Pagmi Mohong Cowboy for Jesus Kapangali Quira Ung Naushang Jelly Youth Secretary NDNPA Ishui Panel Host Quira Ung Mating Zimik Director Generation Builders Hiping hina issue we conference we panelists ping nai kai khama pairang e ning shilaga ren jumle
ni shere ari le thum nei chak mai ke ji thei sali shit sei matai la kaina chima wa chaurang laga ithum we aje ithum we do this apologetic conference we team here answers of life ke jinai Mikumo ithum mi rin questions na be mayang reshina wa khang sa sala la ka ta hindu muslim na ithum ni chang mai hau higi thau jat yang ka ta ra he kchaba rani jile ka khakhnang khakzana pem hau higi thau questions si thada mikumo hi question mang yang china thakha ithum ya long hili kchi ka tha possibility leila kchi ka tha answer leila mi ithum mi wi bang china ichin ma chuk zak question hi chungna ithum mi rin hi problem mang hai china kchi ka tha answer อะครับว่าเลยแต่เลยก็จะวิชิตกษังเลยแล้วก็ answers of life ก็จะให้ทุ่มนะJohn chapter 14 verse 6จะเลยคุยชกแล้วก็ทีมที่คุยกันซะนี่ก็เลยทุ่มมีทีมจริงทุ่มมีแค่ชิกบายะ mission secretary ว่าจะปีสนะจีไม่ใครมีรักชิขังนิ่งก็ไม่รู้จังนะอารีอินเดียนเบวีmission secretary ซาดักเลยนี่เช่นนะคือคนนี้ topic ซาดักอีทุ่มนะ science and religion เฮ้ science and religion เฮ้งรันให้ได้เลยอารีฮอนทอนอะไรสังหารเดอร์วอร์ดัมนะมาไต่ก้าวมันก็เจนะอีทุ่มนะevolution เลยถ้าอักจังซาทุยแล้วก็ทำคุยกับแต่นิ่งสังทุยกับให้เลยยัง science อักจังซาทุยแล้วก็ creation ไปเลยอีทุ่มนะ focus มันซาลุย evolution ไปเลยทุยกับให้เลยเจนะฮิวิมรัมเลยละอีทุ่มนะทุกไม่ได้มานาคุยแล้วก็ Bible นะอีทุ่มเลยก็ถ้าทำมีให้เลย Bible นะอีทุ่มเลยก็จังคัดเวลาในทุ่มเลยเสียมลักก็จะให้ทุ่มนะมาจุกรุมควายซาดเลยอารีอีทุ่มยาลงเฮลิมันจังสารนี่เลยอีชาวลงว่านายองซาใส่ก็จะ evolution ว่าจีเนี่ยยังอีชาวองระนายองซาดเลยใส่รามันเจนี่ถ้าตัวมีซาทุยให้นี่ก็จะยังใช่นะ science and religion เว้ยปิดกาลากิก็จะยังอารีเลยนั่นทุ่มเลย question อ่างหันในนั่นทุ่มมีจุกขมันจุลีherna เรียมเราก็หารืนเรียมเราโอ้ทีเลยใครเชื่อมันจุกไว้ซะโลอาชมา question อะไรดำเลยนะทุ่มนะมาท้าเขาไม่ question จิตตา or answer เลยสมบังไปมาท้าเขาไม่ question จิตเลยหันเอาโลก็เลยทุ่ม science and religion ฮิวิมรัมฮิลีแค่สิไปละใครอินโดเมียนมา border with director อุจานิงลุมุงใครนะpaper present สามีระอุจานอักษิขังนิงกามิลโจนี่เชื่อเลยเช่นนะชีวิตที่ free will and predestination ที่ไหนก็ตากเลยจ้ะครับเวลาที่อีทุ่มมี เวลาที่อีทุ่มมีเรื่องนี้ predestine ใช่เลยจ้ะครับอีทุ่มน่ะใครหังใครเวลาที่เทศเขาก็เลย salvation ว่าปงนี้เวลาที่ชกเอาชาแล้วก็อีทุ่มเลยsalvation คุยกันอัน elect ใช่เลยจ้ะครับอีทุ่มเนี่ยก็ถ้าได้อีทุ่มมี free will ให้ก็ถ้าได้ exercise สาระก็จะจัดยังก็ละเทปิ้งใครเวลาเนี่ยจะก็เวลาเลยอีทุ่มเนี่ยเขียนมาสอดจิกัดละอีทุ่มมี free will เทเส้นให้ก็อีทุ่มเนี่ยมาสอดจิกัดแล้วเวลา surprise มันสลักไม่กี่จิตละแต่ free will ให้ก็ถ้าได้ exercise สลักก็จะวิ่งมาเริ่มเลยอีทุ่มมีขยะชีก็ไปโอจานิงคันตังว่าอันนั้นครั้งนี้ก็มีเนาะhereน้องดัม Baptist Church เลยpastor ซาดักเลยเนี่ยใช่นะขณะวันนี้อีทุ่มมี perfect marriage age เฮลังสันงรุมเร่เฮนักก็ทักเลยจ้ะค่ะอาริฮอนทอดอีทุ่มมีอารมณ์เลยจริงกูมั่งเลยโฟกัสหาแล้วก็มาหังเร่ค่ะก็จะกระทั่งนุ่ยไตบลีก็จะกระทั่งอะไรนั่นน่ะก็เลยก็จะกระทั่งยารอนนั่นลิงชิกแล้วก็ออกที่รุมไปละก็จะวิมารำลีละอันนั้นจุกไม่ขาดแต่มีระว่าจะฮีอีทุ่มว่าจะเริ่มมีจริงใครอันน่ะมาตุยมีระอาริฮิลีมาเลยลีกจิตไทยฮี orientation ราจังแล้วก็อดมาสักไปจุยวางจิวักไว้เลยอันน่ะอาริฮีว่าจะเริ่มมีจริงใครฮีcouncil vice president and TNPS วิอันน่ะซาดเลยนี่เชื่อเลย
อารีอิชิโปรแกรมจะดาวเซเจน่าอารีอิชิ speaker presentation อันน่ะอดัมคุมิโอร์โนอันน่ะคุยกันที่ลีอิชิ panelist ปิงน่ะมังอาบักกาลกะ panel host ปาจินอดัมคุมิโอร์โน
asmalai kaya kha ochana mutimu mandale lega kujikta mi bingna question je sampang dale khabo question je nana WhatsApp le mi paire WhatsApp number je hile jithe mi awni ga jile no question je jile type sa mi paire ka shima questionnaire le je ochana atam ji khui mi na no
Good evening. Do this apologistic camp conference hili rajangai de khlaya lagi siang sot na bing psychorally aring jin here ring phamai kap ka jia atam ng sarano iwi kya ka si we lagi si ethumwe Northway chaplain organize summit de khlaya chaplain Miss Lily club organizing committee kala ithumwe Northway akok sada yang midak laya NDNB we executive secretary Reverend Damringam kala awi co-workers being church we kui sada ning midak laya laikisia pastor Reverend Somi awi ngasod now being rag jibai de laya yaron ngalaping psychorally arung ya hiwa man sak mai kap gajia adam ne nathum na church sitting aina rami dak lewang ning ke si ring ka pa iwi song aina jong ka phongsok ngai ithumui mangali ithumui resource person ina ming mahang limrer katong rang rumai re lagi se benalis ping arung ya hosami dak laya ningai horcham ring phalak kai thumle welcome sa khu mi ga hai kala bong te te na part khu mi de klei media in coverage sa mi de klei aru church limong rumor salala online li yang de klei yang sot na bing psychorally ring ka pha salam mi de laye aru ye tumna tes ka sa gi je tu bong hi ngana hon laga nana ngasamaya ka phap madamr how go pokaina thui la ko baina dangda nan anywhere that salala ngana mi lo gi hila hang kangai ne adam hi limit sala kaina mi hauda iwi di bongle maing re haura itu me committee bing na le silak kaina maju krik laga science and religion hi mi haidala ye science and religion hi phapta kamai aja apologistic gichi conference kare sauda ngasot no bing naung raping hikikla gichi girus kasala le dalaye itu me introduction li mathala kena itu me host na mathala kena me khai mi hai re what is apologistic danaling khanganji tharan samla khai ne an apologistic is a defense of Christian belief that help to explain and clarify the message to defend your position to defend your belief to know your position. It's all about apologistic. Nakaling ningli, nana kisit sangli. Na we position kikla gaji hie pap tak ngasak. Nana ki abamling ningli gaji nana nganing kamai abam ji kathai hi kala defense hak sabhili apologistic hoye. Nana le shirei ngalungguling ningda. Mikichi gathana nalira laga nakaling ningli de kang hanji tharan na he will answer him mitela even ngaleling ning de lay even truling ning de lay jika wrong answer nan ning sing na ning de kla abam jina third chari hang thai plungra chili apologistic hoye vrishina waksa de na kisit sangli na we ve vranki ba na ki wangena na sia sa jingji ki wangena na we ve vrajili sit gasa na ki wangena chishali sit sang de kang anji taran ngani ngrurik kaina ngahan ka kshab pangshab chili apologistic hoye an apologistic is greatly literally defense of the faith and truth whereas evangelism is proclamation of the truth itum na khamasung ji evangelize mili pau ma sokrung laka remekap dan wi position na kaling ningli gichi kathai gi remekap gichia important samai kap gichi vreshina wili agane Dr. Ken Paula Gaya pastor nei ana atheist akali khamor kafumi gaya bangsapa ka itum na materially internet lik chung kathai hai re ogutwili thangme lak gaya atheist ka ve vali masid gisanga mihil atheist hoy anang hanne where did God come from ve vai ki chiwain rakla the aling hanne Dr. Ken na king han ga klai Dr. Ken answered anang han ga ye where does God come from assume that you are thinking of the wrong God nana ve vai ki chiwain rakla the nang han da klai hiwa khongoi ya ve vali nang han da klai ne because Marama, the God of the Bible is not affected by time, space and matter. Bible we vevrahiva Adam kala kamasaya space kala singjag by audio hina effect masamane. If he is affected by time, space and matter, he is not God. Dengan gay. Ali Adam space kala kamasaya kala audio hina effect sausi kija ave ramani mane. If you can prove God, he is not God. Arung ya ngajin hili tu milik jipsar tak lain na we vali question salaga we vali thinga ye proof sanga ye tam chuk laga na research sada le ka nu chuk ma jo hingoi hai re na we vali proof sa sabaka mukhorum lo ave ramning mane. If you can touch God, he is not God. Na singche pai da le ka ave ramning mane. If you can fully understand God, he is not God. Nana vevra ali kublak kana thi sabka ave brahmaning mane. The God who created this computer is not in the computer. Computer ke sema praman hibaya computer alung lima sang mane. He is running around changing the numbers of the screen. The God who created this universe is outside the universe. He is above it, beyond it. He is not affected by it. Computer hili computer ke semakali jangkla dana computer hili pasang pada folder kya so kya alung wak jinana create salaga phalala computer ke sema hili na mathemre because he is outside the computer. Ogthui hili na Universia ka mata de sem gai hili we vrakli kla dan proof sa ka vai yong sang yong ta la baye nan we vale fully understand in the pasokr gichin na phap mata ram re because you are human beings, you are a created being. Never computer ka thane computer ka semali na phap mata ra bai mane. Dr. Ken nang han ka de khlaya tu hina ki atheist pa hili khomor ka fami hawe mujuk dit lo in the Madugi Hile Tankai cover Sairi. Ogutui Adam Rekasanga Tishuda Ara scientific age, computer age Hili, we rally proof Sakavai, Trak hot nalaga, proof Masara Jana, Migjong atheist one night. Grab proof with Wang Park Jana, wrong proof, Kangoya proof as something the we rally Masit Sangler ring Gaikujunga. Ji kangoyane ito me vevra proof sapai sik jena ini kokrum drakam samane computer alung hili vevra lima pharan mane. Many questions in life migmo we mirin question gchong kala ichinge why you are a Christian kivine na vreshi sahau why Jesus is God when he has human father and mother Jesus Christ avwa na avwa human father and mother ogtu hili leilaga Katata alive vrane jaukle mikumone. What is your answer? No ki answer sara. Asava Joseph ledele, asava Mary ledele, Ali prata ye Bethlehem li. Mikumone. No we answer ki legle. Where is your God? Vevrano we vevrakali lay. Where does he come from? Can you prove God? What is science and religions? Science tek mdela kenaro so khairi. Advance salakairi science na proof masak samale lumine ogtu hili. Where is your religion? Nana sitsang tak lena wo religion hiva na ningai na awoyin na sem hai miao de sitsang tak lela shoot the lela hang ka hai ji shoot the lela. You must defense na version awak sada na hiteran. Where is science? Where is religion? Adam we tishu the ar humanoid robot. Mikumo horza gaya robot sem so kaire. Na khanganji dharan la anang hankar. Aro ogthui Adam we tishu the mikumo horza semte gaya ogthui. Science and technology kasung la gaya Adam ne. The word science come from Latin word syndia, which means knowledge or expertise. It is the knowledge of the world that we live in. The word religions was derived from the Latin words religionem, which refers to respect for what is holy, reverent for the God, and sense of right. In the Paksoka in the Pub Diary, science and religion we do he hit had the Latin duena unge. What are the differences between science and religion? Taka science and religion we can de kiklayang. It mum to grand clay. A new can de clay majuglakse. Remake up with your point. Science is empirical. Empirical means experience. What gotong he experience. He proof Malayaka science of Mrs. Religion is supernatural. Science is open. Our open saye, Kongwila Kamshung Lagatong, open salaka, grab saye. Religious is closed belief system. Our system actually he the Hankai Jilisitsang tit religion. Our in a Hankai, Kakabiajina Kapigai. He lucky the Kapigai Jilisitsang tit laga, closed belief system. Science is evolving. Science va ngatseye akwana ako ngatseye akaina ka ngatseye laga of endless discovery mga samla ledali. Religion is absolute knowledge of he superior the kabimi kahaya sit kisang jili religion hoye. Science is a collection of knowledge of natural phenomena and human behaviors proved or disproved through analysis and evidence. It does not deal with moral or belief which are not proven. Moral line of beliefs it gisangili proof sampai to the science na deal masamane. Religion is a collection of belief, moral, ethic, and the lifestyle. Kapangali science is objective. It is derived from fact and logic. But religion is subjective since it is derived from belief that are not backed by any proof. Natumna hi copy satra kaki kam samane ina he will not he Okurtan Baptist Church will sang mi haira ong yang naulo katong jang dala ye BTF file na sang mi haidale and atit kwemelo. Science is experimental oriented system. Science iba experiment salaka pasok lulaga kanuk yang laga satek yang laga matalakena machuglaka shem gashokane. But religion is culturally oriented set of belief. Kahya religion hiva hinganatit kwing sangaye is a culturally oriented set of belief. Ito may culture ng san he went ralaga akanang jamsang the shem kuilaga shem gaga hili religion hoye. Adam wilung ligatongan na masahaluya ka kushokaw si hinatsamira ta sangluye. Chita the matang ralaga awi na hangahaya kharchan jikatong group kuilaga religion gajihita ta shem kaye. Itum na sajing gahaya Charles Darwin na 1859 le theory of revolution si anna kabisoke. Charles Darwin he very sinaune. Verbali siya sasay church kag sa amin eh. Ka an research sasang alaga an evolution theory hili sitsangawe. Maitom na science li teo may katam saray re og to hi Big Bang adamakali for billions years back there was an explosion. There was a big explosion which is called a Big Bang. King Wokai kla science bing la mahangramane. King Wokai krika bangtang Wokai mahangramane. Ka ito may universe sili haglak kaya ng wok kai leida. Chi bing chi kai maman valaga chi we force china nganing laga. Akai bing chi form sakwi laga. Chi sakwi laga. Atom form salaga. Atom billions of atom na cell form salaga. Sel bing ji gajib kwili lika jen si form salwi lika chili spices kringa yur ra ok tui poke chiwitili insect akai ra poke chiwitili sayur va yuraye chiwitili nayong laraye chiwitili nayong wena mikumo unge the evolution theory ye 1859 li pening sok the migajong kali tam chite da migajong ka variation of bing sit ka sange khunuk hawe he kanu kau de mig jong ka he sit ksang bing be rali mi sit sangai ji hawe so very siana ki evolution theory hi nga tak brok laga mig jong ka than ngoi hawe itumui curriculum ni lo okuthi curriculum ni hi sing da lai hi khilakla gchila na thumli machuk sakai ye he will argument debate hi gchong ka le ba mai ino ko plak kai ma wamra Nayong bing nala kasai ka ngasanta laga yo hi mikumo hi itumai na unge jika hi itumai party lamo da nayong bing nala mana road ta leye da itu atang hangkai thala nawi awo nawi ayi iya nayong isawo va nayong ne gijikya ka jangsa nikle ina na tumle hangkai evolution theory hi 1859 li Charles Darwin gbisok laga ana gchung ka a popularity la an saye criticism la rapoke ka apek msalu mane mrama awi theory hi mena attract sala khawi chita ho the scientist bing kala doctor bing student bing no oh Darwin no theory hi phala khai ne pa polim misit sang khangai bing chung sang khangai chung sa hong how the a hi Ming Pau Kangai le jang laga awi theory anna hi de bisoka hi pek msalu thu mane ka ringwa shum laga awi pasanga chan maman laga theory gji taran Confession of Darwin delana tumna phikali YouTube lila or ki ka Google lila follow ana hang khai le chen report from Lady Hope hi sanau evangelist akane ani mathala kana khirchan sai Darwin nara chadurai no atam no ko pratale tha lakana na clear salakana na na bigai theory khilaklei ili hanglo we ramle lakmane gi hina hiwak wa khaila kala we ran ok tui same gi deny sala khaila no we go thuk uglong ji ili hanglo ta ani thuk lakana khrajan gasane Charles Darwin after a career of promoting evolution and naturalism returned to the Christianity of his youth renouncing of his on his deathbed the theory of evolution. The last word of Darwin I'm also induced to defer to a certain extent to the judgment of many able men who have fully believed in God. But here again I see how poor an argument. Ana ve ramale mane ve ran optimism ne tra ka an argument sangkai ala lastly paniung ka how poor an argument in an argument ka sahi kya ka ngachan kle gji tu hi ongbang soke the safest conclusion seems to me to be that the whole subject is beyond the scope of man intellect kadong hi muchuk laga mikmo ithum ku to kaina muchuk pa ka pai maning mane the ahi regret tui umatuye Lady Hope na hanglu ye ani khrajan ka sajili kata de bi lukla jaga Darwin fully supported evolution ahi evolution he support salage he admit the concept was distasteful to him ara concept ji thina nai li wa awi wang mangayam thuwe and had brought him much dismay uga khanang chung khara sok na sake but he still held it and all have concluded it is probably an urban might kji nawlakena ana kidwa sokla jike urban hiwa khali kharchan sa khangnawa might kharchan naune in pening sok ta khle khali kharchan sa khangnawa kji kha kharchan ka tha ne kji urban might kji chiena tangda anawa soke Evolvo bidiyali hange Darwin was a scientist ne ana khang ka tong mi pin sit sangai thang mai hauda ana theory khu so ki masung lak kai research ko tong kup sarai la ku so ke ji sit sange ka kup lak ke na a proof ma sakra le ye evolution theory mi kumona na yong na ong lak ki ji hi a evidence proof male ram na ka mi chung kana a we skull ji gen dna hi compare sa la ga mi kumoli meng na mi kap ji ne science being the nearest to the human being is apes or the monkey the kasane na yong hi fc mi kumo we change le hor chaki mi ji lak ne ka the nearest na mi kap ji ne ka ji theory ji khu sok ne ka ji wen ngai lak ki ji proof ji ki ba kana ma theory ne the theory of evolution is also a belief theory now me kap the hi pap ta kang sa kai ba evolution theory ka ji ka tha in microphone or ma du de kle hi wa hi we evidence proof le ye yen ne shem me sound hi da de ungai thai ye hi we proof evidence le de shem shoki ka Darwin theology hi a ki ka theory hi wa proof evidence wa malaysia roman this become a kind of belief theory it ni na sit sang da kle hi la faith theory ne faith theory yes na Jesus Christly ve vrale ida sit sang dakle amik mathe mane proof male mane thangka matangka ve vrane li raw khwira a leida lay ini wisit ka sang jina ka thaine likewise adamma khali mikumo hi sayur hi na yong hi mikumo on chaw ho ji ki pak mathe mane hi a kind of urban mind krachan na akata do unglaga hi chalak pro da hang sok ji taran na yong we chen sing and I make up kichi akang sa sa we no man have seen or experience ana nang la kana ning khang te ya tui ma tui la ka ala mi kumo ka sa de eti kli wa chang raklai il ka ching ram chang ai ala vre shina wa sa da church ka ga ming sa sa da nang la kana confess ala ka thi the only simple thing are yang chin na thomli na hang khangai ba Darwin na kya khama tha de ka bi khai ji we dongli scientist ping na gujung kang rum sang la ka bi khai yang ai la ke pangai la ke mathala ke kala masung la khai da the ye ka reality liva ji theory khu ko ka ala ve vra ali sit sang la ka og thuin nan pa na sheme ina ka bi da klai theory hi va khra chan naw ne da hang la ka bi va hawe legi siang so naw ping mi kumoi tu mui ku ngatok mi kumoi tu mui khangajan chili batang sare nana arasit sang bayen na winning cup aina paning ku lako og thuin na khrajan naw tha de shem ku laka traka proof evident maklai jika na yong wa akuya ko ku laka mi kumo akuya ko ku laka skull jing rai chai gi that's not the evident ji research methodologically compare ka sane ka proof evidence pa ji yo na yong na tha ka thran mi kumo on chao ko ji ban chin da jiwa ma le mane che daw de hila belief theory akhane gi ji hi mi chung khana version of being va ma chu khui gi ji ne the he important sala ka ya ithumui challenge sa kane religion li hona ka hanung lu se religions have been broadly classified into three types old religion indigenous religions and new religious movement ogti we old religion le la ke indigenous tribal we group we adamakali itume dangkula animistically sitsang saye indigenous religion ne and new religion movement the lara thot khang ja ti suda science and religion hilang sikwira the sa khui laga sikwi khmai ku chung sa ta kalai la lai da lai the weakness of world religion ogutule le da religion si we weakness sil teng mai ka ma chukrum los ogutu hili masan khar jaw sewa trakha ogutu hili religion lai da lai hakla kai ni thum na ka thaiwa mai muslim thai da lai hindu thai da lai gaji ka tha Confucius thai da lai Sikh thai da lai the popular sala ka ya apart from Christian ta de hiping hi ka thai ne chiwing a jai le thum na hona ka reflect sa se world religion ogutu le da religion hi they worship with fear atum na khorum da klai ka dong ng chi rang rang khorum da lai ina no ini vaini we vaini uchi shali khokrum ji taran lai ki shen khorum me ya ali khokrum bi ring pa ali khokrum ji taran an ili somi rei ali khorum ji taran ina ji mik so khamong yen jat so kai ji taran iliana ng yur mi ring pa ali se ha sa gup kai ji taran ning le ring phang sake mathan nga sake itu mu ji shu na te hangai ka oguti we religions being na khorum da kleva ngchi yo ini himasa ka iwe be vrani litan di mi horrei ini we be vra adama kle awo yi we be vra jile lo honna ka phni ung se animistic le ji babame awo yi bing na khorum da kle yo lui hili hima pha ya ka ili ame wona ili tan di mi horre ngchi rang ok tui sa ye o thingrong ka hak le da le ye hi ma ta tek bai mare hili ame wo le da le ngchi rang ok tui sa ye ngchi rang khorum me they worship with fear. Clearly, animal sacrifice and even human being sacrifice is very much common. Mashunglaga sayu vayu titled laga, Pupaya laga, Lada Kalaya. Hindu I know book laga, no anywhere Damak Lizat Kasa. Kul Ogutui Hili thermal Lada Kalakong Majubayangla, Mapuka Paya. Thermal Kali like La, Gitala. Sayurano, Kula Mikumo and the Puka Paya, history, Masan Kralatali. Immorality is very much common. Immorality hili sakta mo kui mane ngala chung da ku kui ngala chung da sak khana hi khambo hone de kui khamthang khamrang hi ring ka phasa da ringe ku chung ga hi ka tha hi encourage ba pame jimang manim ne revenge atut ku kui itme mi yuli phani ung sai tra kham phani wa sai itme mi yur awo yi va ve rali se chang lak ka yem yur ko ame woling a chilakan oktui ka sami yuko chise Krista mararang laka ka mi akali atu thangsang laga akui ka tat khuya ka hi khmatao ne da sit sangsa ye na kya ka phani yang la okutui religion gaji here oriented by the you see culture kala hi ka ta tam hili magapha chipin la marib na saklaga the God of this world had blinded the mind of them, believe not. We valley message gesanga atum bingwe, mik chiva, mik ngapel mi haida, kamashung jimatermane. He lesaye. Hindu willing a chilakaya sati custom. Are ogtire sangaida a police sire. Ka willing pediguru kraji taran vale saye. In a himrak kali research samamanda, eva kasangkat uglongli eva, ningacho trak sakui, ukanang. Kaharati gaji taran le shila kaya privily matala kena saksamita make up the sami kisa laga sina gutong hok thang milaga kaharling room the merik tai jita ka kaharu manglala kui sampangai kala prevoin tang the kui sampang da ani hi reincarnate ka khni ra pralu rei marana naurali marana sada hayawi karati thangli privuli Garwe angunli kapam ngesaglaga mairik talaga satigastam hi chatna laksaye. This is world religion. Think about machukse oktiwi thermana oktiwi chatkana hi hima phamane de shimidlu arwile magphak chung khalai dalai world religion hi liva akamali shimidlu akamali akala modified sasang lura. This is world religion. Tauri custom, traka explain masamara, hila thermoisit kisang akasada kachadnay, itong Hindu. Evil power is very much dominant. Ogtiwi religion, hiliva, jibiu bangsapi malaki, jibiu bangsapi haklakan jade. Tong salaga tong hi, masambalak ture, sa bohire, mi bohire the mila, sanglaga tong lesem sate. Itumi Manipur hilila, itumi Tangkur hilil na panayang la, mi po hydri. Sim kahak sara jika mi po hydri. Idol worship, saili kokrum. Amo ngulungguina, amo semkwila ka kokrum, puruli kokrum. Oktu hili machat natale, this is world religion. This is world religion. Is Christianity one of the world religion? Arwing ayara ina na tumli question sa ngaiva. Itumi Christianity hilaw ogti we religion we akaya kala. Is Christianity one of the religions? One of the world religion? Kai kanava himatelo hil thermo akana ogti we religion akane the pening laga Hindu Muslim lingarai chada trit kasale. The answer is no. Christianity is not a religion. He clears salakini our religion meaning. I'm going to prove it. He is tomorrow proof saurai. To understand that Christianity is not a religion, let us see the world religion. Christianity here ogti religion meaning mana avo gaji. 个只拍打个话，我个体为 religion 里个掉个 actually study 啥类似 Judaism he 我个体为 world religion 呢 to get into heaven 个经人正个这个 you have to be righteous and you have to engage in good deed of loving kindness to other 那 he 个拍我啥了，这他个呢个经人正个个只实生诶，个可能里 to attain nirvana in Buddhism Nirvana hina jume gap kecil Buddhist visit kesanga perfect stage ni. Hika sung segera jika you have to work the eightfold part. Buddha na kebimi gahaya jisat songfu jisat jisu pelung ra, sa pelung ra, jita kena jika sung ra. To get into heaven in Islam li kejing ram jangaye jika you have to perform the 5 pillar. Muhammad na kebimi gahaya 5 pillar hi sa pelung ra. Number 4, to achieve moksha in Hinduism and to be able to release from the circle of death and rebirth. You have to follow one or more of the 4 parts that are described in Hinduism. Abong mati jisulaga na moksha, the highest position jilika pamray. To specify, talakan arapap daw se. Let us see the difference between Christian and the world religion. Ogutiwi vrish thermo hiena vrishi thaka khangate kilaklai arui tumna thermo khangate uji yang dahai jiwana ra phap kata ji khikla ji number 1 religion is men trying to reach up to God ji kiga Buddhism la baye Islam la baye Confucius la baye khangate ka tong na hi salo jida ka na ka jingram changra na hi salo jida ka ring ka phasam pangra da trying to reach God we vali sampang kawai atum sakchang the hot khanasar doing good thing to reach God to meet God kapang odla sase hila sase do ka akasa akvak ngwersa akhamata sa hivak ba ngusu sangai rasa chen ki pa ka we vali sampang ramane maram we vrahiva talakan hi tum hi paptar nana ninga te haira jilala more now gatyo now aka phungchat fuka jil entertain ma samne marama we vrahi more gatyo now lila mamyam jena we vrali sampang raji ka more akhla ma phumra chida how the ogti with therma aru hangda ga therma being religions being here ka phang ot kya ko hot nalala akhli mistake le how the fail sa son how way Christianity is God reaching down to man vrishina being itum wang kya ka good news clay Mikumona Kagamangla, we Rampana Gatane. Christian now being itum wang, we Ramasana Oktuligatane. Religion is about what man has to do to be right with God. E Kisarakla, we Rawamangali Pakavai, the Hotna the Clay he religion name. Christianity Nahange, Christianity is about what God has already done. We run a Samikaine. Nana sagi ke chok dong ave vrana sami ai rasai ji itum vrishinaw wiring upon we vran li itum na palaga sampang kawai phajade we vrapa nam oguthi ke jingromain talaga kupsang mi ai rasai ji itum me vrane religions is you must earn your salvations by doing good deed kamata utsalaga Christianity says all we need to do is believe. Sami sir haira sit sang malo gaji hi vraishi now itum bing sit ka sang ne vraishi ana itum Christianity ana ugti we thermo ani u kan sit yumang daily klar tyo mai karu ji khayang daklai ugti na wa I phakawai do hotna jadalai gajingram na na phakawai na wivang katong semi hairi hui mi kwai the oktu li phajade itu mi vrei shivo hui khami jinali mi hairi you just need to believe and recognize religion is enforced by those in power in the attempt to maintain increase and abuse their powers over other religions is the creation of man and is not the intent or design of God oktu we very thermo hiva we run a sam community mikumo itumna shambukuya culturally oriented kiga ngasan akang ngasaye Religions are founded by great personalities, and they all died and never rose up. Only Jesus died and rose up after 3 days. Ogdili thermo gajong ka pasok kay re, thang kame mi gajong ka rai re, kamatala trak ratam jiter ati hawi manggot tulimane. Itum we vrava Jesus Christ va ati hawi kutum thang luring sokluye. Hi katha reshi we kathana, hi ke thermo kathana ogdili masok lakrang. It if vrane gji unproof saye. Unproof saye. Not only in our young statement, if Jesus did not rise up from the dead, Jesus Christ in a chikru when ring soksa six java, and the ring the laka cap matatam stela baye, miracles la sala baye, the rujicham korwan sub la baye, making a purely rhyme baye, no matter. And a kaka kamata sala baye, and a ring soksa sigajiva, I will not worship him today, Yalimukorum. Ogtui hili ka chan rai khamia rai mi saba mi jong ka layai Jesus Christ ta tam gi the ka saba mi jong ka layai mechi ka na dang sak saba mi jong ka layai jina ave vrane ki qualified masaman ka a hi thi hail ka ring sok chi wang ve vrali ku sura sak nga ta trata khani hi la phap ta na we here mi komo maning lak mani ve vra gi chi lak ke convince away. Remember, Paning Lo, how he told you Nali Hangahai, while he was still with you in Galilee. Galilee na tumling Yudaleka, Yurdaleka is a Christian Hangai. The Son of Man must be delivered over to the hands of sinner. Morikapungu we Bangli Horsang mi Hauruko, we Rawino Mirahi. Be crucified, Alisata Dray, and on the third day be raised again. Kutumutangli ahing a good, Kazang Magdang a good 3 years. And a hang haimang a patmane. A matirang like a tiruk jila hangai. Egatum tangling a good tiruko, ring soka jila hangai. Okutili gata mikali lair. And a hang hai paning under Mary Magdalene paning tit high. Kang dipping a Malay. Paning Titai Jidauda on the third day Gagutuma, Sunday Atori, Mary Magdalena, Sakama Bilum Day. Yo, Jishana Hangai delay, Agatum Tanging a good Tirajer, Ajanagutum Tanghiri. She rose up early in the morning. You see, Nami Mohonal Kletum Jilanga Gotulika, remake up the Vakyanga Mary Magdalene. Because a mug the Jesus Christ ring so Hawaii. Anahangai, I'm the restriction, hearing Kalune and life, Mirinji Ine. He did believe it in me, illicit Gesanga being, though he were dead, Ati Haisalala, yet saw he live, Aring Sokli. Verse 26, very clear. Whosoever liveth and believeth in me shall never die. Illicit Gesanga being Mati Laklimari. Believe thou this. Believe thou this. Natum he sits anglo. Illicit kasanga miping. Matilu imray. Katang mavailaring hauray. He sits anglo. Believe thou this. Helilang me the key hanglu reklay jishana. In natum tehay redala iring sok. In a mili ring sokang sa gladsluly ring sokang sa tehay redala. Iring sok hay redala. Natum na tihay ring sok luray. Believe thou this. Oktwili higata mi kang deraila. Arui ngachini lan thomina challenge sak ngai oja Jesus Christ mang maning ni hibai la hila lei luda lei sei hila lei da lei sei malai lak man Jesus Christ gata ma sok lak. Undeniable fact of all religion papdang kwai vreshi katong na wili manotha kbai a fact laye geological vreshi thermo ko tong oguti thermo hila itum more pungai gji himaya sar kalomori wena itum ka thad kan soksi kala gji hodna sar Quran hadith hi Quran wi larikli hadith li ha kui ka thera all human beings are sinner and the best of the sinners are the frequent repenter misai ko ri himore pungai misai ko ri himore pungai hi Quran la Muslim ping la mayai khomore wai na katha kan sokra ga ji pa hi songfom ma the ma da ring ga pha ma sam phang ram ne ning ga chot mangai awi more ji phaning onglui ana khamtha ka sa lui acha khamtha lang bong ta sai ra asa mang jin aw more a ka sa ka ji phaning khu lui la ka awi hop ko tong siman lui hau chot lak ka na ring dale Hinduism le ji ba me there is unpardonable sin in Hinduism for which there is absolutely no means of atonement jili prayas sida hoi prayas sida me phyo mi ga pai lo le yi yo ga ji ta ta phyo si kla ga ji atumi ukhanang da le ki pa na phyo mi sabro atumi le pang sab le bne Buddhism le ji ba me muri phanga le ye muri phanga ji wan kan so khawai hotna la lam ram ne Confucius le ji ba me muri ji wan kan khawai ram ne the bad news ukhanang me kap gu je chan bao muri ga bung bing but Shinao lo bai Muslim lo bai Hindu lo bai Confucianism lo bai there is a punishment for sin muri with an delay yet the wages of sin is death muri with an dijia gathine giji Romans chapter 6 verse 23 li ka bihai da le all religions are longing for forgiveness jibangai na ogthuli le da khleya very thermo ka tong hi yo pheu khmi ka thadrani khlayang giji hi rochang lak kai nang rai da le ina mai ti nawa ka le witness sai mai de ba hi mi khamata mi ne lai kla theme intellectual ne ki ka thermo hi le sakla ka na ma khwim ne ko awi thermo liver a hi ve rali ka thai hi phai giji sit sang ina li hangai ina na Hindu sa chaul Hindu wa na vri si saulo da mahang mane Hindu na ringai ko ringlo Muslim ringai ko ringlo no isna ma hi ringai ko ringlo Jesus Christo itumu Jesus Christo ge jipa hila vri si na ping wang tangkur wi wang maiti wi wang Hindu wi wang Muslim wi wang da especially maramane ko dong wi wang krani ko dong wi wang Jesus Christo hi krani ji wang na Hindu li ring salala na hi sit sanga ka nali hui khame hi Jesus Christ ne mi kumoi to more phunge gi jin la maya kha khanga chan le gi maya ka more ji waina khlam mi khwai ji sho mang e de sit sang kha na ka chingram chang rei hi ri me kup de sit sang lo te inali hangai ana muchuke as no hi sa khre ne I Hindu ng sa la I wi wang la ili hui mi khwai ji rai gi ji hi ji shu hi to mo vrishina ping wi mang ne de phning sai chen Judaism le sit sang was waiting for the savior hui khamira ro gi ching rai sai Isaiah 35 verse 4 Hindu na la sit sang atumui more intentional unintentional misted de more gi chung khalai Quran ni le ji ba mai chida de more when mang tang khur la hui khami kala forgiveness si ning chang sare arana thumli na hangkangai wa mathang ko prada lai why Christianity is different from other religion kiwangai nei thumi Christianity hi khanga dai religion aina nga kai khang haukla ji ka number 1 God came down from heaven to save all mankind Isaiah chapter 6 verse 8 ogtu himalel ogtu hi moreling phum tale lekha vreshi ko hi Jesus Christ mararang la ka gchingram le ve vra ko thum hi chan nga jeke an asina ki khang je kla jika whom shall I send ogtu hi li kipale ji hor kla and who will go for us itum we wang ki pan ogtu hi li vara kla jana no mira ji shu jina here am I send me ili ji homilo da anapoyi gchingram mai na ve vra ra ga ji hi gchingram mai khang ran ne Kakanyali itumui vreshi kiwangai nang ateo kla jika Jesus is only begotten Son of God ve vrau now me rahi jishamang anna ogtui le shina hauda ogtui hili ralaga migmoi tumli rangatang khuye kagatumali only Jesus could raise from the dead after 3 days ogtui hili itum phapta sai thigaya mili ring sok kasaba mi lo lei ko Judy now binguli le sa ko thì cái mi le ring sok ng sak kasap ka after 3 days chi ka ki pa kamar chi hi pa hi seng ro ko magic chen ku chung khala khonong ku chung khala thì hai re ge li ring sok ng sak ga mi le lei ko ka after 3 days ge le mar tu mi chi wang en na chi je Christian na Lazarus thì hai re ge ji taran Lazarus ge ja ye a thì hai re ge ji taran an mung le pom me ko tum tham kang sak foi a gong ji taran Mary Magdalene Marina gelama thana chap la ko yo ji shin na thak me ong sik je pharayang ji wa isi aba Lazarus si ma thim rei ka ko tum thang hai rei ar mring lu mrei Judy now being usit ki sang le ko tum thang ai ko mi mring shop lu mene cái gì lấy how the jeep proof sang cái gì Christian na after 3 days li ung laga Lazarus li ring sok sak sak chỉ Christian na chỉ thằng ya aling pidat laga ngaya song ngalang der ring sok sap cross when ta sap masaman he want the proof ok tu il evening la igtha maning evening la ka de malem ne cái gì proof sang cái 3 days ana chi khule jang bam chi wi thil a ring sok ito mo ji shu himang dai Tuk lak ka na majukse. Mi bingi pap matalak to the ana John chapter 14 verse 6 li clear salak ka na hangaway. I am the way in a song fune truth kamasung jilak inay the life mi rinjil inay. Iwili mening la ababu wili ki bak kamawam ray. Inay in a song fune giji hi clear salak ka na hangaway. Kangaday at his being kala within Christian wilung le lai Christian the whole ga Jehovah Witness ka tha ji Christ le ma khamya very shin le ko la ga very shin ne Bible shi changi jira la ga thum na hangra mu ji Christ hi ve vrane gi ji Bible ma chang man ji ka tha la le ko argument kala ji Christ hi va ve vrane gi ji ma chang lak mane ko the son of God the vajang ve vrao no mira tu ji ve vrao no mira itum ko tong lo ho bai dla Dangai, kalau servant ne rau ne maran ne ketong macam serai, kau jadi Kristus vivra ne jadi macam mana kahang lagi. As the Bible verse tells, 1 John chapter 5 verse 20 li, jadi Kristus vivra ne jadi jang lagi. And we know the Son of God is come and had given us an understanding that we may know Him that is true, and we are in Him that is true, even in His Son Jesus Christ. This is the true God. This is the true God. He comes from Vevrane, the Son Jesus Christ, the true God. Comes from Vevraji Ane. Bible matala kena kabimi haye. Sixth, believing in Jesus will have eternal life. Katang makawaya mirindring kangai bing Jesus Christo lisit sanglo. 1 John chapter 5 verse 13 likabi haidalaye. Eternal life. Muhammad na kya ka matha tam jithela putho na matha lakana tam jithela kathema Mahatma Gandhi na kya ka tam jithela thangkhama ya philosopher bing kya kana tam jithela illicit sanglo gadang makhwaya mirin sampangra ki bak khana mahang only Jesus Jesus we teaching he unique masa kajing ramu ve rawi pangsam ko pungsa sig ja aji kata tu matu saprala The Bible says God will judge everyone according to His gospel. Jesus Christ na thangka Jesus Christ will mingay na judgment hila saruji. Romans chapter 12 verse 16 ye pasok migay in the days when God shall judge. Kanawa chimik soli ve run judge kasali the secret of men by Christ Jesus Christ according to my gospel. We wrong with Pauko Pa, Jesus Christ will Pauko Pa enemy, avavoli judgment sarai, Jesus Christ na judge sarai, judgment law, Jesus Christ na saragla, or we Pauko Pa jena judge sarai. Kachishadali, Jesus said he will come back again, ila draluri, Ogdu Mikiaka, he hangs up clay, Anton with Darwin, Jack Katemo, Ogdu Tonga, Ogdu Tonga will light him, Tam Sardaclay Darwin, Tamlak Hayami. ที่เฮาไว้อีริงลุเรมหังรมันเนอีละดราลุเรมหังรมันเนอีกเทมทาดารุลราพราลุเรเจนตมหังรมันเน he is a human being ก็อีทุมิจิอินิวิจิเชียฮีวาอีละดราลุเรโคอังกจิงรำก้าวเรื่องจิตารันเกลิลีอังกกาจิตารันมุยาตุงลีตงลกกาจิตารันโอกทิวมีบิงก็จุงขัน witness ไซ not only disciples มีเราสักหนึ่งตัวบิงมังเนี่ยมีก็จุงขันอันนั้นมุยาตุงลีตงลกกาจิเทียมีบิงจิมิกตลิงลกพนี่ยังละยังบ่มีจิตารันอันนั้นจิชนะหังไง ye men of Galilee Galilee we me bing why stand you gazing up into heaven คิดว่าไงนะก็จริงเราเนี่ยอามิกจิตาได้ยังบ่มใคร the same Jesus งไรก็จะจิเชื่อ which is taken up from you into heaven อารุยงไรก็จะจิเชื่อก็จริงเราเนี่ยคุยกับกาจิเชื่อ he so shall come in like manner as you have seen him go into heaven ที่ตาตะก็จริงเราองค์ก็หายจิก็ไทยตาตะอีหดสักละดราลุไร behold I come quickly ทักลากันราไร Revelation chapter 22 verse 12 and my reward is with me to give every man according to his work shall be จิเชื่อมันยังละที่ตาหังก็จะบักขีปาเลยใครนั่นเวลาลีมีกมอนลีงไรใจแต่ compare ซาฟร์ละนั่นเวลาลีจิเชื่อลีนิ่งมองนาวฟร์ละนั่นจิเชื่อลีนิ่งมองรู้จิกท่าอังกท่ามีอิเลียกับ proof ซาเลยจ้ะอันนั้นสักการอังคโลกุที่มี proof มาสักเรื่องมันอันเวลาเรามีเราก็จริงเราไม่เนี่ยมีกมออีตุ่มเด็กคุยกันไปก็ตอนนี้ the uniqueness of Jesus teaching in the book of John John วิมังเลยอีคริงกับขโมยเนี่ยอีอกุที่วิกหอนเนี่ยอีนักขโมยเนี่ยอีนักพายาวกหมันเนี่ยอีนริงคลุยเนี่ยอีนักอภังเนี่ยอีจิชคริสต์นะฮังเอकि बक महंग खरोदी अना हंगे conclusion कुकुबा science has a limitation because it is in the process of endless new invention and discovery science healer our limitation ngawai ahi we limitation ki wangai na our discovery mang samla sadale aja hi ja khamang teilu ra khanau tang teilu ra invention ngatei son dalai aja gchik ne jra khama journey the hungry science is a limitation you cannot only depend on science religion has a limitation too religion ogtive religion is a limitation like because it is culturally oriented and man-made setup of belief and tradition cultural hinna mold kasane cultural hinna kishane ogtive religion third God message from heaven gijing ramaina khra message the only message from God to save all mankind is in distinguishing religion, race, color, caste, etc. from this sinful world. Kujing ramai na khra ve vrau message chiwa ogthui migtong we bang saye mi yurm khaimane ava chid hauda ogthui hili ana khra ji dharan ogthui mi pingla mamya babam dala God message has no contradiction with the science. Science li la contradict male mane. Hila phap tar in a verse a kind of proof sara sama. Science an ve vrawi tu hi Bible ko jiko. Ani hi parala aina chade. Bible phap ma katang we wang ma kathain. Kakani God message confront all man-made religion. Ogutuli le de khlaya. Tharma gatong li ve vrawi tu hina correction sami. Hingoye. Christianity is not Western religion, American religion, Israel religion the Sikh sanglay. And hence, ogutuli, very sihi ogutui, cultural oriented very similar to the ogutui li malay kasa, janba we jingra main rahauda, ogutui sanila contradict at Hawaii, ogutui philosopher being we teaching lila contradict at Hawaii. Israel now being Jewish now being will khraji tharanla Jewish masala mamma yamne napni yang la Israel now being mamma yamne nana hang dak la ngoye mamma yamne tangkhuli ra sala tangkhul mamma yamra mai teli ra la mai teli mamma yamra avo ogthi we message maning la jingra mo message satyomo and hence jivangena Jews rejected Jesus and crucified him. Jiwangana nawi tamuste himam shumane da ali mamayala krus li sausan laga satha thawe. No religion, culture or philosophy except Jesus' teaching. Jishu li khamayamale makho. Jishu hi Israel we, culture we, thermo meaning makho. This also proved that Christianity is not from this world. Araina kamang proof sangaye, God message has no contradiction with the science. Science na bevrau itu Bible hila contradict macet menai, ka Bible jipap maktani. Kejihina kamang proof sangaye, siapa? Adama kali rest and motion. He with theory hili ogti with ketem Galileo, Newton, Inquisition being among rocksai. Yo Galileo na hangai. The earth move and the sun is fixed. Ogtui na kangatune, Jimmy kamang tomane. Jen Inquisition na yo Galileo na which you aksang meaning say, divide them to say. The earth is fixed and the sun move. Ogti waksai kabam dalaye. Jimmy nang thor tak sok lagatatang, sokli, Jimmy na kui kabam dala. The Inquisition na Galileo li mamayaman. Kan Newton na va hangluye. Ay nani kanini wichi ngoy tutuye kanini wichi anahang both the earth the sun and the earth move jimik lang thoye o kalo ogthui lang thoye nga tholaga ani ring to leida nga phat ngayat salaga ring roki itumui Catholic Vresian dang da khreliwa masungai ogthui mang thomane ogthui khongpai thada leye jimik ban khang thon the sitsang sai mi komo na pap matarang lako ogthui science na pap matarang lako Bible li khik bi hai likla rang yang ause ogthui hi ka thada lei sakala gi Bible li Job 26 verse 7 li bi hai he stretched out the north over the empty space kamasai li pangji jada hangai hang the earth upon nothing. Ogtui hi ki kalimakang yuela, kamasailing and chadale gihila, kapihaye. He mikumo papmata samane. Kamasailing ganguila chadale gihimatasan, Bible jangai sai. Kala mikumo to me mirini ashili lake gihila mikumo hi mate saman. The Leviticus chapter 17 verse 11 behind for the life of the flesh is in the blood. Mirin hi ashili lake. In a hankangaiva, are really to the Bible Pataklay, Pap Matamata in the Prit Sapapa Kaine. Okturi Samaman Pap Tamamandri. Science Nili la parallel sai, Commissionji parallel sai. He itume Rawi Twine. Ning Shilanka in a tumna Jingri and a Nakami, Rawi so coming Sarano, and hence Jivangana Christianity is not the religion. Christianity here. Religion meaning mako. It is a sovereign plan of God to save mankind. Mikumolikan kawai vevrana oktu hilikrane. Jesus Christ kalitume Christianity hiva. Oktuwi later claim being katong likan kawai krane gihi hanglaka kopauke vevrana somirana.
Ojaning lumli akstetum psychorana pang pemiausne. Ring paire arihi banalist discussion adam ne chen ishi ojang rapping class speaker rapping na atam yakste apami rakhi mi khwai jam ni shidau ge. Idum psychorax na ninga sila chonro khai thai. Stretch sa sai thadya relax akwilo. Ishi microphone volunteer hilim ning migila like a microphone ji click a question nei sa kha chi miung mi wasa khwai okay ning shang nak shang na ishi panelist ping kam yokila speakers ping as with speakers ping la ba misao se yari ping in a Krajanang Hawkne Shinawakana Pastorly call Saraji Wong Yating hello pastor, hello my pastor, oja pastor. China pung baroda kainda pastor na stay here key urgent le lakhala jang da. Pingai dia so na hello the pick up sa china. Ari shinao ba jina. Oja I mabiwa bai lak tu wo ji ji ko. China pastor ba ji nervous at mi leo, nervous at lui hen wo. China ngala mu hirang ji pastor ba ji jang. China as ye ga tha khai le jang china. Ga thao le china as ili mabi bai lak tu e aksida chan ga pha ji pao ji ya khreili ajon de sandeli na khang ji aksida hang lu shit lu jo. Noi pao ji sha ge ibi pu bao e ji ji ko. China jok sin na hang ban ba. Ai to ma pingai sai ge ji aksida remind sang ye national le sa fu ye. Idum arba ok tv market king adam tran made in China chungna aida na waling haneje da ava prevraila China na la Chinese na la ji ko. All right ring pai ishi panelist bing lipam sarai question le sa ka pang hanga milo chang chen first preference audience bing ni myo gane question ngan ngai mle sara Papta sir la ari oja ninglum da presence sa khai ji. Okay. Oja jili le dle hili WhatsApp number la mid le jang. Click the no le ko na na mang ni ga ka it's okay ari WhatsApp number hili na na question ji text sa milo.
hili ha we. Itum na oja ninglam na matha lagan tam se mi khai shaire religion and science. Science, what is science? Science is nothing but the finding of unity. Kachikata matter maram akubang science no what salaka jiwa unity jisam mangaika. That is the end of science. But the Bible is no limitation. Science is limited. Hari in Kashali Ochan Hang science la limitation le religion la limitation le the Kanini Gang to the Chai. Ka in a ngai power. Religion is eternal. Bible, the word of the word of Bible, the word of God recorded in the Bible is eternal, no change. It is perfect. But science is changing from 18th century to 19th century to 20th century and so on and so forth. Khrewe science ma musung ma dang che maman la ka khang che rai maram limit le auda, limitation le auda. China it may Shitkasang. It may science China, religion, metal, it may Shikasangcha. Our answer should be Jesus Christ. Jesus only is our answer in the face of science and religion. The clarifies that I can't limit le.
Oja nam dhalai nang han mi khai chiwang ning share ishi banalist ping na kanini hi limit le jilak ji ji ngan gam yaw kila kanini hi limit le ji ji ka the soft sarak ji ji oja na khang han question ri ne
okay. 어자니 umre ning sitrak midre sakrakaina ranmerga ramte kyujiwang shwe oja krar na hiri rakaraga itumna taigangye jiki 그러던 한다 그러지 검다 약하네 이리 항로 제가 어자니 놈이니그니위 아나 항다 그러지 멍대 뒤니 그래 어자나 한다 그러지 되고 이나 한가 강아지 기가지가 사이사이드 시기상 그지와 지나오는 게 다네. 사이언스 그지야 밑에 대거 봐야 안나무 거 봐야 방나 사스 거 봐야 히다이에다 항다 그리 사이언스나 강네. 시기상 그지와 밑나 못해 그러라 안나무 그러야 이와롱리 레이다 그래 시기상네. 가 마타이 그 봐야 어디디 항다 그래 힘을 숭어 더 프로프 사금이 사이언스나 항이. 주방에는 사이언스 키가 뭐냐면에 그지 우산님은 강 네, 그다 먹기면에 그 리미테이션 뭐가 그거에 그와트래 하워다 항다 그래와 이리 하는 제가 털머 그지네 이종의 시기상 지슈리 시기상니까 항문님네 리미테이션 레이다 항다 그래 릴리전 그지야 미꾸모나 우리 라그다 그래다 그파 삼방다 그러지 털머네 이 종의 어레시 이 종의 시기상이야 우리 라는 미꾸모리 라파그 쿠이 이 종기가 뭐가 대화로 우리 라는 라파 쿠이다 그러지 이 종의 크리스천이디 시기상 그지 이지네 제는 미꾸모나 우리 라히 기파 그래다 아위 그템 아위 조금지 아위 탕금에는 파다 그래 이리와 리미테이션 레이 그지는다 이버지다 안강아이 가이 좀나 시상가 그래 그징랑 왜 시기상지 미꾸모 왜 카바트 리미테이션나 뱀팅 가야 리미테 사라가이 knowledge wisdom skill potential 사이코리히 아나 라지 뱀 금이 리미테이션 말입니다 그걸 교황들지가 히브라고 인상 거 봤네. 교황에는 사이언스라 리미테이션 레이, 릴리전라 리미테이션 레이 그지 아르이나 항다 그래. 릴리전 그지 기그러 그지 이리 디파인 사루자가 항아이래. 지야 미꾸모나 우리라 기바 그래 파고 이 릴리전 사디오고다. 지 리미테이션 레이 그지 그 항대를 해도 이거 오자닝로 무지다 겨고 있는 클래리파이 삼네. 저는 항대 그리지. 이는 항대 그리지 그다 그러지. 뭐 되더래. 뭐 변날 그 뭐 되더래.
무슨왜 아르기가 religion이야 미구모나 감숑거리바 그파네. 야이나 크리스천 이름이 그 이tum 크리스천이야. 크리스천이티야 religionless 호이. religionless ne itumo jaina itumo ningshi se grali briwa akhltana kachiraman talaga mikan magse apong talaga itumo khabat ko tonga na sami gaini jaina itumya duty saplungre chi saplungre ki pa mam yondela chi shulish samjine shape gine kha itumo bible li kapigai धर्म तुझी आई हिंग चाउस ही अमेन चाउस कुची अच्छा इंजल का वे तंग मंगवाम ने हियर एस इट वाज एंड इज हितात लजिंग इटर्निटी ने जाने खंग चेमले मने हियर लिमिट मिलेम ने लिमिटलेस हर रिलीजन खंगते इंडिजिनस रिलीजन ला ओ खंगते ते अतंग मेंशन जागा रिलीजन पिंजिला अथुमा ngechei pai for example athang oja lum nangare satiraiti religion we machak khamtai akhane khai sakshila ga jauda british na khamongji thranli lord william painting long ram raja ram mohan roy long na than laga satiraiti simit mi gaine daji religion we makhamthaji khamsa go gaine yani ya winning lia bible li ga bi gai tu yi religionless Christianity itu mingna, ji eternity ne, unchanged ne, unlimited ne, dah kui kapar, ji cukup macam.
Next day ojali. Isi audience wena question kata Malay suffer. Nganinggal ka? Aksta ma.
mi share yang are question han fai opportunity da mi da hlei wa ilin ning rin ung khai hoi I kham som non ne are a thang isi resource person o cha ning lum nam ta na hang me rei thum li Christian hiver religion maning ne ji I thum la ka ta myang ai la ka ta yang kho are I thum na ta I thum cái tầm nào bị nó thấy cho rồi, ít thùng exam form fill up sát thran, any competitive exam form fill up sát thran, ít thùng bị tiệt sinh hàn rồi, chỉ là lồng li religion gì li ít thùng li option là mi, Sikh, Buddhist, Hindu, Christian là mi, ta cái ít thùng bị ít thao với ít thùng bị, ở ít thùng Christian hi religion ninh này chứ rồi, cái exam ta cái thali vào octuvi, cái là exam board pin vào, chỉ là ít thùng li miเลย, ít thùng bị ít thằng chặt vào xong là, chỉ cái ít thùng ít thằng cái thằng defense sao đó cái gì năng hắn hành ninh share đấy chú.
Không sai khuyết rồi. She paper present sa kami ba our idea liana kahang we view ngatai da lai sa pa ye kai ina I we thai ko li hang au ke o ko thui we therma bing we ngachai li vreshi ge ji hila akhne ge ji hi ithum we o ko thui we conventional rule jawre ta da thermarin Chewing a chili, Vreshi Hilla Therma Akane, itum generally accept Sai, accept Sai. Ka Therma with characteristics later Kalaya, basic principles being we aina, Vreshi with principles Kayang, Kalakang Hau Atamjitranli, Vreshi we principles being he later Kalaya Therma Jiwi Aina, they hang away. Chỉ vì vang ấy nè, issue we a resource person nè, itum nè, vareshi hi therma akhala, ok thuili khalai therma akhala ta khangahan adam ji tranli principles pingji compare ka sa adam ji tranli unique salak ấy nè, amang ngate hang leo ta maning mana chi pai, ta ngahan kare, chỉ thà ta ngahan ka khongui malay sala pai do khuye, aru issue we panelist akhna hangai re. Kangatai therma being he got hakler jaka, Mina got had the weekami some pang pyre color, or Vrivraga had the some pang pyre color the capacere, Covrivali, Nigumona Mupakui Baimane. Whereas Christianity with principles liver, Vrivrana Migumo he morally Shiman Hire the Pakrane. The G Aniwi direction G opposite Sang Roge. Chỉ thằng người ta hang cái hay unique salak hay Vresia cái principle thermal later clay người trái người ta hang cái hay principle ác này,แต่chỉ mang han cam mili làm một thêm này issue questionerly.
Ning Schneider oja ning hanli. Itum ja mang mamanda na tumi doubts later clay chilang han milo. Audience when a question aka quivis jo malay suffer. Question mashugumanda ina hi question naka hi da khanghan sangai shi panelist pingli itum William Badikrum rang ga amio da itum chili korum serasai jang the jira kai uthili reshi hi itum atop rasa khil ge itum yada shit sang thui kai ne kali khada William Badikrum ras si jwa itum bing hi Arunachal ka thawi thata Hinduism sasa niga daila kamachuk lamachuk ke jang or here vrau khangran ne jang ka itum na ari itum na ina ngan ngai ba na ba ta Vavrahi leila ke gi hi itum na ka da proof sa siklase atamakli Hinduism ina Muslim sot nawak lai sai atum la proof ke saji cosmological argument je ka cause and effect or intelligent design ta theological argument ta shin ka Allah go hila itum hila itum iber vraji hila ke tum la proof sai ka itum na az itum li religion chinika ari itum iber shi radak le itum radak le hi a hi tada agchang of shi lake itum shit ka sang hi ke hi na proof lake ke ji hi ishi banale sai na tada vrahi le lake vrahi ne ke ji aksta proof sami kila
Shui Gan kami bana, gan biar sisule. Isi tang kurui banga, kende bas membawa mereka. Tang kurui banga, Ibrahim, kai kengai nalai cawe cuci sesang pai lagi. Kadang kadang jika orang particular raga cia tamjim, beras orang ka, thot truk siniwi, mengari orang sing jebajali, ramai sana. Ramai sana ke cuci teli, sanggup teli itu mirak sana. Kalau cuci, oh particular marang nak tam tharan celi, tang ko nau pingi tumhi, kui lang rok teli sana. Itu mimi pingi nak ada cuci sakla jaga. Leisang John Melay, kesak bakal kalau beri beral jadi beri beral je saya kor lesak kuya akan awai kecuali ningli lesak je ke cepat je ke cepat kerja je hi mapa kuy tera ngerak sekai je matai lesak no ke beri beral je na ada itu mui mati minang kaya dah beri beral je itu parau kita kuya ngan lesak je le orang particular jadi johora rega itu mui cuci kuya dah kerja cuci itu mui kan milaga aci Kejangan pribadi Yesus Kristus jadi itu korum negara itu kali ini dan tangku nabi itu bang kaikan gaya itu nih kita hangai na pap tala gaya na pribadi pungi pribadi kaikan gaya pribadi itu saya korum di proof mikai ni.
Ni share isi gaya kana kamen cili mikai ni lah.
Ina supplement sage. Jangan nam thara na hang mere. Hajiri ni teo ke supplement sangai. Singdun songwi bingna, kara anthropologist bingna, itum na korum dale kisaji animism dangai. Ka animism ni mendum. Mai awai itum ni, awai bingna shim kumyo, lui kumyo, li pupia sai. Pupia da gereja worship manim ne, abis kesana. Kokurum mana ringpa kawai, atau mirin ni, shikai ni, timpun ni wadi, kamiau jina mahuk no kawai, atau ni pupia ne, ji abis manoi. Jena itu binghi animism tingrung ni kokuruma, kamiau ni kokuruma yuna da hang da gereja, mungkin awai bingna sisang da korum da keraiwa, oja ngam nang kai da aming hi riwra da mari samne, ka singhung reng, ka singramui awunga, singhung o, raisang John me, kasa akawa, ta atumui aming hi lekisane. Cuangene itu ming animism ni mendekji proof saru hanglu jaya ka 그들이 항로 그러지라가 그지 그다음 미아가 티게 사람들이 그티 커링 이 위미린 히巴리래 그저 그 금요일을 입네 심금요일을 입네 류금요일을 입네 꼭도를 입네 그이 싱홍랭 라이상존미의 지리레이다 아톰나 그 그자주에나 라이미 그와이면 티고와이 아리 수이하에 뭐 부피하면 강대의 프로파가 항로 자가 그징 뭐 걸어 들었네 그징 강가에 들었지 그징 로미 그와이 아톰나 금요일이 셔면사면 심금요 루이금요일이 뭐 부피하면 그징 로 금요 그사 그와 지리 아톰나 수이하에 그징 로미 그와이 보이 기왕그러지라가 금요일이 그징 로그와이 방식 말이면에 ring kawai mirim matai sang kawa atom ni ari mare ne jaw gada atom na supreme being shapshi du re sa ta hang ause supreme being hi ri le ye jaw gada atom na chiri sui ka ai ne ka bo ne chen ka jing ro mi da atom na ting pung lui wai ok thu ye mi ri ni jo wang na mi ka jong kana itom ari ra itom ye arong le ra 이통의 아와이 비는 시선가다지 그지 그래 저런지 애니미즘 털면에 그지 히 한국이 잘나게 반응 잘나게 그다다 옥티사 그래 그지 막 되게 왕이나 아리나 한가다다 심금요 루이금요 우리 그라미시 그와 아피스 링파 그와 니아옹 그와 그라미시 그와 우리 왕이나 퍼급해야죠 왕이나 애니미즘도 그뒤 가이네 이통 애니미즘은 이통의 브리브라 레기 사지 수프림 비잉네 아직 레시빙 낭 레시위 크로트 저시 크로트리 슈아이가 이거지 그러저가 아와이 빙나 희생될 이거사 그징러무의 아웅아지리 희생가사 지위로 우리 레시히 뭐를 생각 가지고 왕에는 레시위 크로트 사즈가 있네.
我这位question 之他的一同为王怕大白拉开肯杀里因的 question 那个他的很想爱我这里。而为他可一同里 William Betty Grew 呢，不是亚威呢，就是 Christian 呢的库拉米了，其他一个来生존米个是把那个来在这了，他可去外呢一同呢，一同为啊加了个位啊明白是么子哪里了，去外呢他等个这样子，个是这 accident 呢 clarify 啥米个啦。
现在 William Betty Grew he一同嘛熬夜病呢。그징러무야 아옹아 히위 아밍 히마테 사마다 나톰 기바리 레이다 그래 팅힝롱 히크타 그래 그지 왜나 안 태고 그와 example 강한다는 지리 히크타라네 사 그래 전 아이 브리브라 팅네 지가이네 브리브라 팅 브리브라 롱구이 그지와 아짜라 그 싱금 100,000 years 뒤에 가야지 이쯤을 못해면에 다들 레이크사 팅네 야오거든 아나 God 브리브라 그지 이리 당후드에는 브리브라 달아온 거이네 그 정가다 아밍이 브리브라 뭐지 삼네 아등이 나가이래 히그지를 섬은 그래서 그 이동이 떡만 리섬은 떡만 이제 기그지 그 하우라네 어와이 빙위 그러지 않는 섬은 미츠 리섬은 그 디미톨라이 사기지네 이동에 그래서 이 디메톨라이 사기지네. 그 디메톨라이 사이제다 아자르 그거야. 그 사과와 증홍 랭 증홍오 레상졸미 그지 히 아미 그지 그디 좀 레사. 히 수프림 빙네. 리브라지 히네. 그 이동마 오아이덤리 지슈나 오그데 히리 미쿠모 아카 사데 리브라라 그 미쿠모라 그 그지 바히 아동머리 못해 삼네. 윌리엄 베티 그루는 지쿠라 그미네 라시 뱀 그미네 제나 지슈리 시기상 바롱리 오아이 빙나 승홍랭지디 코름 그 사주아롱리 크리스천이디 그지 히 라자나 그 칼릭지 왜 동왜 그래 슈이 크로티면 다오기진 안 가자
Reverend Somi Kusamosi itu my panelist kala Reverend Damringam na mathalag kena ngacham sangai re chipap tam me khwai nang shun me khwai ida the supplement sangai ye how ko pok tuili hang kai thala Reverend Somi na hang kai jim shung lage ok thi wi term of religion ki jiba hi ba we ranli ok thui na phatak le itum we breshi na bing ba we rana phakra ok thui li le da clear term sit ka sang bing we ranli pha bam hauda we ranli pha la bam hauda adama kli itum me tang khulla chi se christ ki chi hi ma therang la ka we raw na me ra ki jiba hi ma therang la ka pha bam gai no chili okutu hili khamunga supreme being hivale saula we rag okutu ki sema mikmoli ki sema ka tonga ka thaya we bra tangkhu deliver jing hongleng hol ba ye ka ji ka tha greek duli yewa o jehovah o or Elohim hol bai whatever og thili kumunga supreme being je le sap long mi kumo la aling han khawai phasang phagtani ali khorum ali agali le likla the phapam gasane ali apisak san ali ali khorum khawai phachat gasane ali gapali on the process of finding our supreme God. We find sometimes the wrong person, the wrong power. Itumui vevra chili supreme being chili phachat gile itumi mik thadang pe hauda more we wang and Adam and Eve na more saga bang tang khamang li kusam wauda vevra kham sunga chili lama pha khuro le chat kasa Adam ne gijine chita hauda ngalung la ba sampang da wa khorum ka hela le re hiwa da ter hakung le wa khorum ka hela le re the hita da chotla kan le ksani ka itum li ksema supreme being jilaye gijiwa itum tanghule sit sang ksani ara jiba je clear sa se ka alivaul la masa mi thu anala marama jisu christ with true meaning ka vevra anala masa pai thu itum li tang mang ting ashi mangai na theo edam we more edamene if we more bangai na the hita tang sungnai ang sungai gijiwa itum na tangkun na tamak li phak sa ji tangkur we bang supreme being le sa pa me ka ali ka tha to khorum ra awili ka tha da war gi hi mathai samne ka William Pettigrew we rawi missionary na ralaka itum le ka sema supreme being we vrachi li khorum khawai ji shi krista arahiri awi truena war gi raji the mi how da clear salak ken songfu ji the awi la the jena adamak le itum aunga rai how lo jang rusing ka rai how da rai how le we run rusing limran kami adamakle we run something in some ways supreme being hinal baba ot vatiu meksa salamo ka itum na worship sadakle itum na ali phadakle hiwa Jesus Christ we through in a meaning to the we show now we run the ning ung pai meaning to ojana kang thala we run the ning yang ung sak khawai ge jena appeasing kajigata kemeulila lungwi kemeulila ngongwi kemeulila wa phopya ba mau jigata struggle ka sa dam ne the ing shun ngai the masung la ka nang han ka mere ning shi atang question na ka itung mili Christian hi religion meaning ne jile ka itung form fill up li ta da chang tak le ka thar ra ji sampat gai ningrin we question jiling han ka ngai ba atum makathai bingna mathai mada itum li religion ne dak ching ne chu bang pheu mi au se atum na religion khongai ho klai ro no ki ho ngai ho klai ro no ki kam tham ne ka na ini na phap ta gi ji ba re shi gi ji yang kai khang ngai gi ji ojan ning khan la ma thala ke na ji han ka me re ning shi the ning she re
ning shere ojan ning lum hele question na late le very we tui bible li gapi ga hai chi mushung la ke ta itum na shi sang pai la proof malai la very we tui chi mina ga gapi hokum aina itum we science we lai ki mina proof aina nga soda gapi mi haidale thaka ka tha da proof makhlaya bible china science we lai di mushung matai mai khala oja bisli miogla ma
hello ning share jo question ji wi bang bible hi proof malela ka da previti la ka da si sang pai rak la jit le ka da proof malai marak la atang oja itu mai speaker na matala hang mi haire science na ka pishok tak le ka to ngaji bible le chang share gain bible wa bible shok share gine even theological perspective ana nga han ka ngai itum na bible pa hinga tam mi tharan 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 15 16 ni mathala aina ka pi mi haye very we tu hi itum li tong ana tamchi thairam itung mi kharing kharakli ko tong ali ana piper hina itumli shong fu sa da chat nga sa ke 2 Peter chapter 1 we verse 21 le ki hang 1 we verse 21 le very we to hiva mi ko mo na aning sa sak ai na ka kapi maning mane kha mangla ka thar china ka kapi mi ping chili o cha mi la ka kapi khang sak ne ka la hi aning sak sak ai na ma kapi ma ko mangla ka tharan o cha ka mi manga ai na ka kapi ne chi ara idun na science ai na bible hi ka ta da proof sa kla ja ka theological we got in akhlete theology is the ground of science chite theology is the ground of science chite yeah science we akuija ki bakla ja ka theology de bible de science number ri ma de bible na ri de science na cho oga tu hi harar we shape nei ge ji bible na ma pha shok ri bible na pha shok ri science na ma pha shok ri ma nei yang idum na kata idum na ina aka khani mi ge biology we shong ai na hang se jilang biology we shong ai na hang se jilang 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 39 animal flesh and human flesh are different jode he science na riga bible na rito yang idum na khangatai yang la psalms number 139 verse 15 16 ka thali yang la idum we migum we genetic code thi lai talo mention sa da le te yang Genesis chapter 9 we verse 4 likhi hangla jahai ka the life of the flesh is in the blood jode mi ko mo miri nikli lekla ja ashili leye jiliaunde idum phatta sa ga jiba ka chin rigla ja ga science na mari mako bible na rekho aji science na ka pi sho ka hai ji bible na phusa ka le go ka jiba hi hangaye ka chung ko le samre idum astronomy ka thali yang la Isaiah chapter 55 verse 9 ka thali yang la the earth is infinite o ka tui ka tang malai manai ka science na pa program bible ka pi hai ra saying jo physics li yang la idum na jo physics ka thali yang la the earth is spherical o ka tui hi va harru shape nai ka chi hi Isaiah 40 verse 29 ni ma thalak an ka pi mi hai lo ka science na mari lak ma kho hi bible na rilak ai ne ta proof sa khmi ne ke ji na da hang ngai ne ning share
ning share o jali isi comment le sarla point chili ma pom ga hang sai
athang mangali ngahan da khlai question ba jili in akham chan sang khangai aruji mang rang lakha isi we panelist pana our hi a mewali khorum sai pedigrum marala lai sa sigja hi khamshunga vrali khokhrum ne ji ka thada proof sa pai lag jila proof sa ga pai no argument can prove the existence of God argument na or any experiment na vrali ji proof masa pai mane masarar mane ka jang khatta vrali ji proof sa hai si sapai sa sigja he is not God Rivrahi itumui laboratorily kuizang laga experiment sa laga Rivrahi hina da proof sai sa sigja a Rivra maning mane jinwa chikatha Rivraji deu nai kaitum na sitsang da khlaya Rivrahi jili hak me karau da your knowledge cannot contain the vastness or the eternity of God itumui kuingu tokli awi hakamaha awi katang makhawai giji kuingu tokli kajon katip thada na wi almera nauli tipsang ka pai thada ma tipsang pai mane China no argument can prove the existence of God however itum with theological approachly theological methodology formulationly arguments of God itum na kai khana mati kai khana phanga chang depending on kajijawi ningkajang athishuda thada topic matiai ne ithum na tamme it serves as only
to awaken our conscience, not to prove the existence of God. Itumli machupai kawai argument ji kasane. Kajia itumli machuk ngasake pungaka thayaka hiwi kasema lay pulungra kajiji machuk ngasake kaji wiwang mangi. Theological formulation lila. Not necessarily it proves the existence of God. Like God has a blue color in his face and 4 legs, or 2 eyes, 2 nose. Chi thada itumli theology na or argument na science na proof masa pai ni. Ta chi phap ka ta kar sai. China ara wi thada athang an hangai re itumwi awai bing na amewli khorum ka sa chi ka thada khi khamusunga na the proof sa pai rakla. Any religion rivrane itumli general revelation da itumna theological formulation li akhatamre jia rivrane oguthui hili ana kasem sahauda awi paijon awi pangit ji layauda any generation any civilization na rivrane lay gji assume sa pai China there are some truths in Hinduism or Buddhism or whatever religion khajina 100% itumli rivrali majithai mirarmani China general revelation jiwi supposition aina ina khamishunga therma phakhu yai regji kibana ka claim sarar gji ne kajia rivrawi Moses li gji thai thata mikumona rivrali khayang adam ji ranli awi te khamadai ko tonga amai ma thairar mne te khamadai ko tonga ma thai pai mne akhrang mang thai pai China mikumona suppose ka saji rivrawi akhrang mang thaire mikhanga beobing na mfu ungra ta lei gjaina ina khamai singkhui laga or apai singkhui laga mfu hi suk thai mfu hi yam kok thai kji thang sao gi jine China itumwi theological formulation li approach li general revelation aina jiwi basis aina itumli rivrali approach masa paimni it needs special revelation jiwi wangaina pedigru jihokra tarkar sa ka haini theologically tang jiwi wangaina pedigru jihokra tarkar sa ka haini kamashunga rivraji ji hina da raji thaimi khawai jihokra ka sani ji thada da supplement sangai ka khania li arui ka khania question jili science na matala kaina ithumui thermally ngau go pai poina kha ka chang ji khi to last point ji pai ang lak si da question jili
ta kha ka da proof makle bible china science we likely mushung matai mai khala
okay mushung matai mai khala ka ji ne athang hangai re issue present ka salila bible hi limit malai mane ka ji akha ithumui matala kaina faith or bible itumui faith hi bible li base ka sane rani itumli mahami ka hai sauda for example bible hi mushungai gji science na mapha sokrang lakha bible na hangmi ka hai tra khal layai re gji itum na athang thayai re ta oguthui hi khamasai ai na ngani ngai kala khamasai na hokhai e oguthui hi angum nei kala simically ana hi thada rote sai gji kata the jithada it is very scientific scientific plus 400 500 600 700 years mararang lakha or even 1000 years mararang lakha we prophetical message mi ga haiji after 1000 years exact fulfillment in time and place occurs ha ga hi any literature va pa yam lu nutum phalo bible with prophetic literaturely fulfillment accuracy sakamai lyric literature paunglo 80% eternity it with judgment we fulfillment prophetic fulfillment it witness masarang khachi thalala how ko phok aina ralaga aju aina dangda prophetical fulfillment bible na highest in time and place exact second for example Jesu Christ we raga prahi Micah na 600 700 years mararang laga Bethlehem li pharara gji phong maran mi ga ji exact ra shoke aru honi thumna Nostradamus we 2022 li 2023 li shoki gji da yangai na Nostradamus si we lyric hit gji ithumui faith and practice akhasada defense sa khawai thada pai Nostradamus we a prophetic message li lang mai kha da bible na chung mai kha da fulfill great proof later layer because many scientific experiments are based on unscientific assumptions or presumptions. Early 19th Mai Kali, itum we geological age, og tui ki akharar haider kala raok tui kala dinosaurs si ki akharar haider kala gaji carbon 14 li atum na dating sa sai. Carbon 14 li dating sa hi atum na skeleton exhum ra gasali. Kachi kata skeleton exhum ra gasali 200 years rar haider arukui phum ga hai hi the scientific dating chang carbon 14 dating li proof sa ga hai ji, whereas it takes only 40 years back arui ka thiangun ping ji chan ga hai nga sa sai ku ba ba history li ra pha sok la ji proof ra sa wi ji wa ngai na scientists ping wi carbon 14 dating assumption sa la ga carbon 14 dating na hi tha da sok ka jingum hia kha hai ra da athum ne assume sa ji mum shung sa ji no China scientific katong la athum wi philosophical assumption akhal lai la ko ot ka sa ne chita ka mai na ithum wi theology la chitha da ka sa ne. Only after Renaissance theology is proven not as science, otherwise it was regarded as queen of science atama khalia. China Ravi Zacharias na hangda, when the scientists reach to the pinnacle of the mountain or the highest of the mountain, the scientists will find a band of all theologians. Ogo thui we scientists being he migumo na makalakran gajia kipakla mararang gajia apam na da athum na phak shop na da kapung gujui makeup gaji va ka shung adam ji shanli theologian being acha la we theologian being jili pam sara da hangda khlai ji mshung wo ning share
ho jali
supplements out there are science we were proof like science we like proof later ka bible wa proof mlem ni ta kang Bible le proof mlem ne ke ji ari itum chuk se proof le laga ba historically is proof prophecy sa hai proof le sa laga Bible le proof lake historically proof ari wi ji li ji hangai point na ka at sangai ka khanya le vare le ke ji hi ka ta the proof sa rakla ji iwi school of thought we teach the creation number 1 number 2 our conscience. Number 3, what are the kind of life? In a little proof, me pie, clear proof, itum some program. Ning
share. Ojali question na han tau ke. Ujau na shang le. Ari itum na ari we high school textbook hinga dam ditran Darwin theory dam da ye. Big Bang theory le da ye. Itum min na ra ping le chikata tha ji yaw sang mi da khle no ari on thot li jang. Chithai ka ari hili le da khlaya nawara pingli kala yang da khlay nawara pingli hi wa mumusung ko hi we proof hi na tio me ka da hang mi gila
iwi take we tio me khang evolution theory big bang theory hi mumusung ne ji simple la ka sa da inai ta da hangai Adama kaliya tumna monkey wena khrani ja आज monkey mi sa khai ga lela proof sa si mi sa khai ga lela mi monkey na mi won khai ga lela je monkey na mi won nai sa si je monkey ma le lim rok thi li mi won sa raw re jitan supplement la kai go
thank
saloja
이 조금씩 봐라게 그렇게 배대버니 이나 지마랑나가 아래 항다 그러지리 supplement가 상가 바이락가에 exam라가 바이블 프로프 머리라가 사이언스 프로프레가 그다음 숭하고지 바이블에 그 비가 이 사이언스 너무 숭해 다 프로프 그사네 저방 바이블 힘 숭해 이제네 example 항로자가 이스라엘 빙나 러시아 간가이 이 사이언스는 그냥 kat 간가 감 간가 그러지 이 아르케올로지스 빙나 파르가 프로프 그사네 바이블에 소돔 고모라 마에네 시마나오다 강네 그냥 kat 시마나 바이블에 그 비가이다 그 파네 무슝에 아담마 그릴레 사이 이 ngay riêng phụng cái ra cái gì ya thùng proof sa đấy chỉ là đấy cái chung cái này nó à đâm đi ai mà đi khong gì nữa ai sim cô cái là shiri vara cho ra cái này đi cái gì ark hi mà sung ra arara đi lấy cái gì mà sung ra đó archaeologist bên cái này mà sung cái proof hi cái bạn làm việc rồi cái Sikhism Bible cái việc cái mang ra na cái sát mi cái việc cái Bible tuổi hi science nó mới sung cái gì hi nó phác sọc này na thằng chẳng chỉ nói cái đó này science khi mà những người mới chịu mai cái gì này rồi evolution và theology thì 이좀 나게 다다 무슨 그 관례 그러자가 이나 항다 그래야 evolution 그지 it's a process in which something passes by degrees to a different stages 그지 evolution 그지 in other words evolution 그지 hiwa development 그지 밥담에 그와의 항세자애가 analogy ina hanu jaka rivrana mikumo hi awi khak sui sang mi raka mikumo ka ji hi rang sak ka prang leng sak rar sang sak ka thi hing wang sak ka ra ka thi we na tang gai ma ning ne ka new life ka thara mi nin sambang ka ji hi ra evolution a ka ne ina hang da gre hi kai ko wa ina hang da gre ti pe ti par sho kai bai 강대야 그 evolution 항로제 그 깔까오히 깔 스파이더히 아까네 그 깔까오 이후에 아이는 쇼크다 그래 아우가는 쇼크다 그래 야 아우야 아반네 아나 강대 아반히마 바퀴미네 카위 우그릉리다 그래 아반네나 아나 깔까오이나 어 스파이더히 네티아나 샘고이 evolution evolution 하거든 반응 이네 proof 한기지 봐봐. 저방에는 evolution 그지 by using evolution God created human beings. By using evolution, by using process of evolution, God created everything. 아사코리히 리브라나 히다다 샘고 속네. 깔까오이나 아we 아빠니 아we 궁에는 속은 saktada. Heroic creation is ongoing process. Arida Rivana oh to Kazingram, Katara Kazingram Semdre, Katara walk to his new heaven, new earth, Rivana Semdre. He development, he process of evolution hoy. Jenny in a Hidika Hangba, other Hangda Reji, Mina, Nayong, later they say, Jenny being Sadio in his work some name. Ka it will structure you on it. Lấy vụt là hi na quốc giáo này quốc giáo hi ấy na chấm vô nào process này hi chú vang ấy na evolution cái gì hi thật đó random ấy na hi mà phàm được cái xong chấm vào đó cái rivana evolution process of evolution hi sinh ra được cái ogdi mi cũng mo cái hi đi lấy được cái sai coi hi ngay khang sắc on khang sắc khi xem cái gì hi 이동의 시기상에는 지 프레젠 사기지네 그지네 쟤는 다다 evolution이 하다 다다 히와 아이 힘없는 중내게 중간 무바라 독금의 중간에 시진내가 이쪽에 사가 파르 그지 이유의 그분인 가운
저거 장상호게요 Big Bang Theory willi 오자나 한가이 다다 이네 질레 그대가 좀 상나에 ina explain sao like Big Bang theory atama gali Big Bang dale salaka ngo ka khaya na ara Jupiter na hili sun na hili moon na hili Mars na hili hok thang hawe ki ji science na proof sa ngai ba ba atum vare na meshe mane ki proof sa ngai no ka ara chi ungda bai rala example ina aka ina hangai moon kala earth hi with distance Big Bang jing ngô cái khai ai na distance họ chắc ta vào bấm rau la hi moon này giàu luôn hi na earth này giàu luôn earth hi gravitational force lấy ô cái thủy tơ na quỳ nấm là cái lấy sao là tơ lima ta giống mà nè คือวังก็จะก็มูนวิกมูนไอ้เนอะอันนี้วิก gravitational force มูนแบบมันเลยมันเนี่ยก็โอ้ก็ที่วิก gravitational force น่ะ balance มีแล้วก็ถ้าจะเงินสักตะเคลจีฮีบิ๊กแบง theory ลิไม่ชงระลำก็ขณีลิสมิกวิจิอย่างลำ distance จากลักไอ้นะว่าให้เมียแล้วก็โอ้ก็ที่เนี่ยคุยแล้วก็ปั๊มตะเคลเงินไหนไม่สิก็เจอโอ้ก็ที่ไม่จุยชเขาระสานเอาระก็เจ้าก็ตาไม่ลุยสิก็เจอสมิกวิกษาจียังไม่ตาชงระมันเด้อโอ้ก็ที่ฟริชซาเสียวระคริงอายุมอกที่ไปลิมระเนาะก็ใช่ก็อย่างละโอ้ก็ที่วิ distance ก็จริงระไม่เนาะโอ้ก็ที่วิ distance อีทุ่มเนี่ย state ก็สาดมจิละก็จริงระนี้อายุก็ทุ่มอันนั้นใครมีลุยเต็ม atmospheric heaven ตัวละอัคเลฟเต็มจีสายุวายุวันอพิงออกทุยก็ไปชิม celestial heaven จะมีกระจังสีราออกทุยก็ไปอัปมand terrestrial heaven God dwelling place แต่ที่วิ distance ยังก็ตามจะมีวิ light speed second นะคนนี้3 lakhs per second นี่กับตาตะเคลจีจะมีวิก็หัวโอ้ก็ทุเรศตาชุมมินิจะชัดลังตัดจังเดเลยสิราวิ light กับกระตาจีจิงกุมจิโก้ตามไม่กับจิงกุมจิโก้จังเดเลยเงินไหนไม่กับจิงกุมมาตีจังเดเลยแต่ฮีเวรนะให้ใครอัปมฮีจัดลักไอ้น่ะให้มีใครเนี่ยฮีบิ๊กแบง theory ฮีอีทุ่มฮีว่ามาคำว่าชุงกับ theory เนี่ยเขาเวรนะตั้มอัปมจัดลักไอ้น่ะจิมิกฮิลิฮกทางสักโอ้จูปิเตอร์มาสโอ้กทุยฮีจัดลักไอ้น่ะให้มีใครเนี่ยก็จะอีไว้ตัด present สังไงนิ่งเช
นิ่งเชยโอ้จะพีสลีอารุยทุ่มนะ discussion สาระกันหรือยังอีทุ่มreligion itu mi belief is science li contradict mi zat mi dei hangai rana mi pingli kuin tok mi lage thum ji shi chin laga drug invent sa dak le hi bro ming tek tek vai ni ji iba kuin sak ngai chen science li rival sa dak le nim ne contradict zat dak le nim ne kha hi psychology bro ming tek vai ni ji tha kop sangai ari question na drug le de ye ari kai khlang ni ga ngai de ye kha asia tam da khai wangin az with discussion hian ku bai saura akama itum khradam chan ralu shit lo serlo question ong bachok laga ai thaka hi itum akama sangmai dang se khwai sa se yang chenishi wi beno binni ning shinai re itum psycho na aksida pang phem yaw sila ari hi na gang jang sai re isu wi host kani le atam hi mi dele
นี่เชื่อเลยอาศัยทุ่มตั้งหงเล่ๆอุจังราทุ่มเคลียริงไปยังอีทุ่มน้ำมักเทจิลักจุงขาทุ่มน้ำหางมีเดเลยจังคันนี่เชื่ออาริวิจิอาปังจิปังนาดมักเพียไทยเช่นอีทุ่มน้ำนิ่งกิชิขมิ้นนังโซดอีทุ่มน้ำกจิงคงชุมทัดปังลาเรนักเชียปังเพียมิลิสโจนิ่งชิจังก็ได้เลยอาทั้งนี้นะ question ขังหันโอ้กุทุลีฮาร์นาราเรกาฮาร์นาราเรกจีอินะ question งาฮันเรนทุ่มนาปังข้างมีกี่จีเนี่ยฮิเลมาทัดดังนากัมมังนามักเลิกจีเทอร์เร่ฮาร์นาราเรกจีปิงนาปังข้างมิโลโอ้ก็ทุลีฮาร์เซมเรกจีปิงนาปังข้างมิโลโอเคฮาร์เซมเรกจีปิงนาปังข้างมิโลฮาร์ก็จังเดเลยฮาร์ไปจักคุยเลยฮิไปฮิลิพักจะว่าโหลักเลยเจนักเต็มเลยลิมละอาราจิลินอสโนอาจังเดเลยนิ่งเชยนี่ทุ่มเนี่ยพับตาคุยไกเจอีทุ่มตั้งหูลุยวังนี่เดชันคุยเองชีวิตวังอาจจะยาริลิเพซาตาละก็เลยจอดละอาตมก็ต้องชกเลยก็ฮีออร์แกไนซ์สักมีเนี่ยเจอีช่วงอีช่วงไอ้ทางไงเนี่ยอาตมีก็ชอบไปหนึ่งแต่ไม่ใช่ใครสักเอท่าละอาขมสักอีกเจมันก็จะเที่ยวมันสบายทุเรศอาขมฮีอีทุ่มเนี่ยจงไม่ได้คุยกับใครสักอาขมวิtopic hi khani le de le free will and predestination kala perfect marriage age hi present sara gospel jang laga session ku thumai na ithum na khui ka khwai sara ithumai atam hi pungchiko makhai na hopok ra kala phanga aina tangda sang room lishitra kala akhama pa hi ba ithumai leig she ocha pakmil ra jang hora entertain fun la sara kala use salary la jang ga ithum entertain sa laga อีทุ่มแอคทิวิตี้สิจุงสังละก็อีทุ่มปูริงมาซาเลยริงพ่อไม่ตะคุยกาควายซาลิชิดใส่ก็จะห่างข้างในใช่นะอาจจะรักตะลิงสดนอบิงนี่ทุ่มนี่ละเมื่อเราเลยตะลิงชิมนิบมตะลิงสดนอบิงนี่มอบไลซุงซาละก็ทันราลูก็จะห่างข้างในเพื่อว่าใกล้เขาว่าราจังตะเลยใช่นะอาขมเหเที่ยวหลังซาตะเลยไพ่สามไม่ชิมันไงก็ชอบไว้หนึ่งรับบิงเลยลุแท็กซี่เฟร์ลุปะห้างพงาสังมีละก็เฮลิรังสักลูก็จะเฮละห่างข้างในก็ละขณะว่าซาตะจิชัดข้างในถูกไหมpanelist speaking ก็ละ speaker speaking ใช่นะ NTNPFU committee ก็ละ issue planning committee เป็นอีทุ่มฮิคุขายวิชิลีกษัตริย์ขังสอบผมเสยมินัดพังอามังเรย์อะไรทุ่มหนังจังขวายเสาเสยใช่นะขังจังอาตมฮิลี issue present worship team น่ะลากสามีระพอนเดอว่าจะ my job อีทุ่ม UDBC we first pastor เนี่ยยังอันอีทุ่มอีกก็ไป blessing จ้าอันมีอะไรนิ่งเชื่อ
check
hello chi itum yari to ong ninga sila laga itum na ari lahi la kaman sala kai la ba mayang khamor na mahangra je raw le gi itum khamor ai na mahangra ne gi lai to ong na sangum sai
Bro we like she lại na sa chinh ra giờ hi we mang la da so chi ka chinh ra li i li pa quy mi da a we now sang a sa ka tang ma kha va ya mi rin sam pang a sa So come here, oh tuy mi rin trong già khả ngã quy cúp thằng hôn i wish mong chung da pro holy sam phang ra quy khả mi wi la hi Kazing rao nga soda Mashan karar ting ting Shida so chi gara Come on ma hunger Paning la ma kui Ninga shi uklong na La ga sai kui bilu Na we ban sa chira Termiga hai miri Shuchinga na peka Na bang na terizat ni How there
Northern Tangkur Naga Baptist Association Pasokhamia Prohobribra Nali Ningshi Jingre Prohom Tailagani Dum Sale NDNP we youth Mayang La Pinglina na Pangshap Milo Pusawi Pangshap Mangmin la Nimui Pangshap Tang Maila Marum Sang Milo Atumay vision Tamay Khada Tingasak Milo Rohona na Lukam Sen Mangay na Atumay spiritual insight ji Tuk May Khada Sangasak Milo Hidat Sada Roha Atum Nathan Laga NDNB Yang Nau Ping Na Bro we Umram Tek Mate Kawai Nui Church Tek Mate Kawai Mangaka Khaningli Yut Nathan Laga Chat Kawai Bro Itum Nichi Sangai Ajuwe Atam Hili Conference Huigada Kale Hili Ari En Chilaga Conference Mukupung Khain Dangda Itum Session Kajivili Ari Nana Speaker Lim Talaga Nung Swami Kai Tata Akhama we Speaker Pinglela Bro Nana Maswami Da Tacham Taramana Matalaga Matuing Sakda, Taking Sakda Jaina Naming Tek Mate Kawai Shok Masak Milo Aray Tumna Aring Sin with Session Igupa
会可比。